First one is a Intex 200 Explorer. This boat retails for about $10. It's a really good purchase. I'm gonna show you how it inflates and all. This boat is made out of 13 gauge PVC. It's one of the thinnest materials that Intex uses, but it's actually pretty durable. It doesn't come with anything, it just brings a small patch that's about this size and a small rope to tie to the boat. It doesn't come with oars or the pump. I bought this pump for about $6, so I'm gonna use it now to inflate it and show you how it comes. You're supposed to inflate it by order of the numbers in the boat. So first you inflate the floor. Now inflate the number 2, which is the outer part of the boat. It has only 2 independent chambers, so even if you puncture one of those parts, it's gonna take you back to shore. This boat is classified as a pool boat, although you can bring it into lakes or the ocean if it's really calm. It's made of PVC, so it's not affected by salt water or oil. So this boat is rated for 210 pounds or 95 kilograms. So you can take one adult and one kid, and that's what the boat is officially rated for. Here's the label that says the weight you can put in, and the boat comes with a transparent thing that lets you measure this distance. I think it's about 10 centimeters, so it tells you when you reach inflation pressure for the boat. It comes with that label here and here. So that's the boat as it comes. Now for about $5 more, we can get a set of plastic oars that fit this boat really well. They assemble like this. So you assemble them very simply. Just show them. There's no need to put a lot of pressure in these things. Just you just have to remember it's a toy. You don't want to break it, or that should do it. Okay, so this is how the oars look when assembled. Just one thing, they come with this rubber ring that will allow you to keep the oars attached to the boat. I lost those 2 rings when I was trying to get this boat across the surf. Next time I recommend you, if you're gonna try to cross the surf with this, just put the oars in the boat, and then after you paddle, you can insert the things and use the 2 oar locks that come here. So that's it for this boat. It's a really good purchase. For $10 you get a lot of fun, and actually it's more durable than it looks. Okay, the second boat I'm gonna show you is a Bestway Marine Pro raft. This boat retails for around $100, I believe. I bought it used after the Navy took me out of the water twice for using that boat in the ocean. So I'm going to show you this boat. This boat is made of 3-ply PVC. It's much more durable. It's the same material they use in rafts and rigid inflatable boats. It has 3 individual compartments, 2 in the main hull and 1 in the bottom, plus 2 inflatable seats. It has omnidirectional boil locks and 2 fishing rod holders, plus a all-round grab rope. This boat does come with the oars, with these Boston valves that are really nice to quickly inflate or deflate the boat. And it comes with a pump that's slightly smaller than this one. I've just brought this one because it's bigger, so it inflates it quicker. But the other one works fine as well. It will get the boat inflated in a couple of minutes. So give me a couple of minutes and I'm gonna show you how it works. You put these valves here. Just twist them and open them. And then they are open. You're supposed to inflate only partially each hull until the pressure in each part is equalized, and then you put a bit more pressure in there. So let's do this. Okay, so as I told you before, you're supposed to inflate each part of the hull at a time, so in order to have equal pressure inside the seams of the boat, so you don't pull full pressure until both sides are partially inflated. Okay. Now as you inflate the floor has the valve down here under the inflatable seat. I'm sure they provide additional flotation in case of an emergency, so I see no reason not to inflate it. You never know. I might as well add that the finishings of this boat are not as nice and I don't know, like well made as in the Intex boat. Even though this is a much nicer boat in terms of performance, you can see that all the glued parts and the manufacturing is not as carefully made, or it looks like it's not as good quality as the Intex, although I still like this boat a lot. I'm gonna show you now what the oars are like, how they are assembled and how they go in the boat. The oars basically composed of these three parts. You have to open this up, bring this out, so the thing inside opens. It's just like putting the drill bit in a drill. This thing goes in, and then you screw this up, and it makes it tight. Same process here. This part is important that you pay attention how the oar goes, because you want it like that. You put it that way. So this should be perpendicular to the paddle, like that. Then you tighten it. So the oar goes like this. You unscrew this little safety pin it has. The oar goes in like this here completely, and then this goes back to make sure the oar stays in place. One nice thing about this boat is that you can secure the oars here in the side using this thing. Like that, yeah. Like that. This boat, might I add, has a small engine mount. This engine mount, you have to buy the motor mount separately. It's supposed to handle up to 1.5 horsepower motor, but apparently this boat had trouble in the European community, for the quality of its manufacturing. So I'm not sure if it qualifies as a motorboat. It just comes with this. So if you want to put an engine here, a motor, it's your decision. Okay, so now we are here in the water, a few meters from the shore. That's why we're not wearing our life vests. We would if we're really gonna take it out in the water. The boat handles apparently really well. I'm sitting the other way around. The rower should be facing the back, not the front. But still, just gonna do it otherwise for a bit. Okay, so now we're rowing the right way. Next time I might adjust the angle of the paddles a little downward. It depends on how you find your comfortable position, but so far the boat is performing really well. It's really nice, and it feels sturdy and safe, I guess. It has been a pleasure, guys. Until next time.